Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study about the share market from basics. We will begin by understanding the fundamental purpose of the share market and its role in the economy. You will learn about various financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and their basic characteristics. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone starting their investment journey, providing a clear overview of the market's core components and how they interact. Next, we will delve into essential market concepts that are vital for navigating the investment landscape. We will differentiate between primary and secondary markets, understanding how new securities are issued versus how existing ones are traded. You will also grasp key metrics like market capitalization and daily trading volume, which provide insights into a company's size and liquidity. Furthermore, we will identify the crucial roles played by brokers, stock exchanges, and regulatory bodies in maintaining market integrity. Moving on, we will explore practical research and analysis techniques to help you make informed investment decisions. You will learn about fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating a company's intrinsic value by examining its financial health and economic outlook. We will also touch upon technical analysis, focusing on price charts and patterns to predict future market movements. Understanding how to interpret financial statements, such as balance sheets and income statements, is key to this process. Finally, we will cover crucial aspects of risk management and investment strategy. It is essential to develop effective strategies to mitigate potential losses and protect your capital. We will discuss the importance of diversification, spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce overall risk. Setting realistic investment goals and maintaining a long-term perspective are also vital for achieving financial success in the share market. Remember, patience and discipline are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.